Say goodbye to gas with the Ryobi 40-volt HP Brushless 800 CFM Whisper Series blower. 40-volt HP technology delivers more power than a 31 cubic centimeter gas blower, exceeding expectations in even the toughest applications. High and low modes lets you choose between maximizing power or maximizing runtime. With 800 CFM and 180 miles per hour, power through heavy leaves and debris, or switch modes to unlock over 85 minutes of runtime. Utilize the variable speed trigger for ultimate control and delicate applications, with cruise control to lock in your desired speed. As part of the Whisper series, experience all the power without the noise. Gas performance, cordless convenience. Next, power through tough clogs with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 35-foot drain auger. The portable ergonomic design gives you maximum control, while the powerful motor effortlessly clears drains and pipes up to 35 feet. The durable reinforced cable prevents kinks as it latches on and breaks free of clogs. Easily retract the cable by locking the auto feed in reverse, and keep your workspace clean with the enclosed drum. Quickly switch from the 1/4 inch to a 5/16 inch drum for heavier duty jobs and up to 3-inch pipes. Next, trimming hedges is easy, but cleaning up the mess, not so much. Meet the Ryobi Hedge debris collector, the simple attachment that saves you time. It adjusts from 18 to 26 inches, giving you the perfect fit for every job. And it's compatible with all Ryobi Hedge trimmers. No extra tools needed. Less bending, less sweeping. Next, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus dual-function lighted creeper, with 2 onboard LED lights to illuminate your work area with up to 800 lumens. The flexible lights provide precise light placement. Quickly transform the creeper into a seat, then adjust from headrest to backrest for support and stability, while the chemical-resistant cushions add comfort and durability. The heavy-duty 3-inch casters provide smooth mobility, allowing you to quickly transition from one task to the next. Keep your work area tidy with multiple onboard storage options, with link compatibility. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus dual-function lighted creeper. Next, new memories, new beginnings, a new way to clean. With the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP Swift Clean carpet washer, every cleanup is a fresh start. Experience the powerful performance of a corded carpet cleaner with the freedom of cordless portability. Motion sense technology makes cleaning effortless. Simply push forward to wash and pull back to dry. Swift Clean technology delivers a thorough clean of both carpets and rugs, lifting the past and brightening your future one deep clean at a time. Tackle tough spills and stains in spot mode, and say goodbye to the hassle of hiring professionals or renting bulky equipment. And experience faster drying times, so you can get back to what matters most. Next, create clean and professional stripes and patterns in your lawn as you mow using the Ryobi 20 to 21-inch lawnmower striper. This striper is compatible with all Ryobi 20 to 21-inch battery-powered mowers. For best results, first, remove the plug from the side of the striper roller by hand. Second, roll the included flat paper funnel into a funnel shape and press the adhesive edge to seal together. Next, hold the funnel over the opening in the striper roller and fill with dry sand or water. Last, reinsert the plug into the roller and hand tighten until flush. Next, we'll want to attach the lawn striper onto the mower. Ensure the mower is on a flat, level surface. Make sure the mower is off by removing start key and batteries. Fold the mower handles into storage mode for clear access when installing and removing the lawn striper. Set the mower deck height to the lowest setting. Loosen the wing nuts so the arms can slide into the right position onto the mower. Then tighten. Adjust and hook the arms of the lawn striper over the mower's back wheel axle. Fully tighten the locking knobs to secure the striper. Raise the mower handles and set the deck to your desired height before you start striping. There are a handful of factors to consider in order to achieve the best stripes in your lawn. To start, cut a perimeter around your yard before you begin to stripe. Next, you'll want to determine your focal point, or the desired line of sight that you want your stripes to face. A design that runs parallel to your most common line of sight will be more prominent. You'll also want to consider the position of the sun. The definition of your stripes will change throughout various times of the day, depending on its location. Generally speaking, you'll see the best results when you're standing at your determined focal point and the sun is at your back or behind you. And also, always remember never to remove more than 1/3 of the total grass length at one time.